Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing the largest Goodwill paper crafting haul I've ever hauled, ever. And I am so excited to show you all the goodies that I picked up. So I ended up spending about $100. Totally worth it. And it looked like someone donated their entire craft room, like a craft room like mine. So I did carefully select the items that I wanted, and I left tons and tons and tons of crafting supplies behind, and it was so hard, but I spent a ton of money. I got so many amazing things, so I have a lot to share, so I'm gonna try and buzz through this as quickly as possible. A lot of the bags were tore open, and like people were trying to figure out what it was, so I had to take a lot of the stuff completely out of their bags. But like I said, I spent about $100, and I'm going to show you everything that I got. So there was like a bag of these mini notebooks, and they're all different kinds of themes. This is like Little Red Riding Hood themed, and there's different types of notes in each of these pads. This is like Paddington Bear, and these are just so good for happy mail, for junk journaling, just such cute goodies, just mini notebooks. And I like that there's a couple of different designs in each one. Here's one that's like London based, and yeah, so super cute. Picked up I think like 2 different bags of these types of like notebooks, and there was like another London one. Then there was this brand new die cuts with a view paper pad. It's like the pearl film cardstock. And then I grabbed 3 of these, the We Are Memory Keeper page protectors, and they were 99 cents. So I picked up 3 of those. Now, this is a stack of all Sticker Flake stickers. I'm not going to go through every one, but each one of these is different. None of them are the same, but these are this is all the brand that these ones are. And I took some of these out of the plastic, and then they come in like a plastic sleeve. So Sticker Flakes, all different types of stickers in each one. And yeah, I mean, there's so many. I have no idea how I'm going to store these. These are just cute stickers for like journals, sharing in Happy Mail, because they're small. So I'm going to find a container. I might use that vintage drawer that I picked up a couple of shops ago, because I was keeping my scrap paper in there, but I'm not anymore. So, okay, so all of these are this sticker brand, Sticker Flakes. All of them were brand new. In this bag, we have just other brands of these Sticker Flakes, and they're all different again. Oh, these look like these are the same, like flowers with tracing paper. Those are unique. I don't have anything like those. And then this is just a pouch of cute stickers, different kinds, more Sticker Flakes. If you guys want me to like go through a separate video of what all of those stickers are, just like let me know below, and I'll take all the plastic packaging out. And then this is stationery. I'm gonna actually take this out of the wrapper, but it comes with these are envelopes, and look at how like adorable these are. These are the envelopes to put them in. We have some envelope seals, and then we have stationery paper. I love stationery. So I love this, and it has like a blue set and a pink set. So this is how the bags came. And like these bags ranged from $3.49 up to $7.49. And yeah, they're all just different kinds of sticker flakes. These are all like Disney princess ones. And these are also, looks like, yeah, Disney princess as well. And we have like little gold sealed ones. So, like post-it notes. These are cute. I like post-it notes. So this is like a piece of buttered toast. Oh, look, and here's little coffee cup post-it notes. Wow, these are cute. Never seen any. I wonder if these are like maybe like an AliExpress, maybe, or a Daiso even. But we have the ice cream and the wooden spoon, the cookie and coffee, and the cheese and wine. These are all post-it notes. So cute. Oh, I bet you these are like what are these post-it notes? I think they're stickers. There's like a bunny, a mouse, a turtle, a fish, an owl. And those are so cute. Let me see. Okay, so that's what it's in this package. These are so cute. And it looks like, so yeah, I'm gonna take these out of the plastic and try and get them organized so I could, like, you know, flip through them that way. But yeah, so you can see there are tons of different kinds of these cute stickers. Just so many different ones. I can't wait. I probably will do a video because I'm going to be sorting and organizing them anyway. Another bag. And these are all just like a different brand. Sweet Milky Flake. And yeah, just lots of different ones here. And in another bag, there were these Project Life cards. And these sets that they were selling at Hobby Lobby. And then some 7 Gypsy like paper / fabric packs. I think they were, yeah, selling these at Tuesday Morning at one point. So these were in like another bag. There were some wooden stamps. And I picked her up. It says, put your big girl panties on and deal with it. I thought she would be really fun to color. Who was this by? And then I picked up this Close to My Heart set. That is like the kitty cat one. A couple of sets of these. It says Photo Life. And it looks like there's some stickers and some like ephemera pieces in each one. And there's a couple of different sets of those. So if there is a pack of like these stickers that are very specific themed, like, I don't know, say like birthday, I am going to put it like in my birthday stuff and not like in just the sticker. So then there was this big bag of this like large washi, what was this, 640. I mean, oh, they're so cute. These aren't even, none of this stuff is open. This is all new. So I think this is definitely worth the price. Some music notes. I'm gonna have to find a spot for these because these are really wide. I might have to hang these. But yeah, look at all of those. Another bag of like mini notebooks. They're all of them are different, have different designs in them. These are like fairy tale princess, and then kawaii cuteness. Oh, I'm just, yeah, I love this stuff. Like, love it, hoard it, can't wait to like figure out where to put it all. Lots of little notebooks, and I use a ton of notebooks. This is like one of the best parts. Okay, Cricut cartridges, $8.49. Now, I did open every single one of these in the store while I was there, to make sure that it had the book, the overlay, and the actual cartridge. One of them did not, so I didn't buy that one. So I got the Zubaloo, and of course I made sure I didn't have these already. This was the Cricut Sampler. Then the Celebrations, and the Lyrical Letters, and the Days and Dates one. So huge score on these. I have the old Cricut machine, and so I use still cartridges, and I felt like I was really lucky. I have, I think, like 200 cartridges, and I didn't have any of these. These were like some of the original ones, so I'm very excited that I found these, and I'm just going to add them right into my Cricut collection. The next was this brand new Maggie Holmes collection. These are the 8.5 by 11. I actually did purchase these when they first went on sale at Michael's, but I got this one for $2.49, and yeah, I really like this paper. It's really good quality, so I got one of those. And then this package of felt colored sheets. These work in my Cuttlebug with my dies, so I wanted to pick that up, and it was only 99 cents. And I think, yep, Tuesday morning, I believe, is where it originally came from. And I picked up this brand new, never opened Project Life cards from Becky Higgins. So originally $29.99, went on clearance for $17.99. I picked it up for $8.49, and this is the collection. I don't have this one, but if there's someone that wants to do a Project Life card exchange, I would totally split this apart and do an exchange with a collection that I don't already have. This is the Charming edition. I really like these muted tones, so this is a really good find. Love that. So then I picked these up. They were $1. These are like ephemera pieces for the I think the Mink machine, but I don't have that machine, but I use these pieces in my ephemera, just like in my projects. So I picked up two different ones, the ones that I know that I've used before, just to stick right back into my stash. Then we got some Stampin' Up Stamps. This is the Fall Fest. And then some Tim Holtz. I found the mini Easter Bunny, and that was like $4.49. And this is the shaker and the mover, and I do have like the plate that makes that work. I actually tested it, and here's like the bunny that it cut out. This one, it's the Sizzix, what is it, the bird? They're a bird silhouette. So this one, never used, not open. Got it for $5.49. And then this one is the bell jar with the pedestal. So picked up that one also for $5.49. Never used. That is it. That is my amazing, huge Goodwill haul. I am going to do a couple of like organizing, putting away craft videos once I like get this stuff kind of organized. And thanks so much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you guys ever seen these types of supplies? Are they from Daiso? Are they from AliExpress? I'd love to know where all these goodies came from. And all right, take care, guys. Bye.